Yeah, that's me. Ooh. Oh, your mother. Aloha! Day 2 of the SJPorr experimental brews, and yes, as you've seen, it's the turn of Dave the Welsh Brewer. Beautiful, beautiful label on this. The drive-by jousting. Beautiful. And out of the interest of being fair, I'm going to use the same pint goblet that I used yesterday on on Ben's Harry's Chocolate Orange, which we did yesterday. Right, so let's crack on with this one. Again, thanks for sending me the beers. Dave, I did catch your video saying that these were undercarbonated or had failed to carbonate in the bottle. So let's not worry about it. Let's just have a look at the taste. You never know, I might have one that's carbonated and see what we get. I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's an IPA, lager. I don't know where it is. So let's have a look. Little hiss, tiny little hiss. But I know what the problem. Well, I know you've had some problems. So let's just forget about that. That smells gingery. Now, as you know, I am not a fan of ginger beer. But having said that, I did buy a beer, the sour mash brew, that smelled like this, sort of gingery, but the taste was fine. It didn't taste like ginger, so gingery. Anyway, let's have a pour, see how she pours. Bit murky. These have been sat for a while, anyway. Oh, don't drop it. Bit chillazed. Let's get rid of that for you. So it's a bit murky, cloudy. There's no carbonation there, but we know about that. I don't know whether it's because of the colour now, but it is sort of got like an orangey sort of smell to it. Everything's orange, but the ginger hint. So let's have a taste. So Dave the Welsh Brewer, I'm sweating like a pig, sorry. Thank you, sir, for sending me this. Let's try it. That's very dry as well. Not as dry as Ben's. What percent's this? Doesn't say on the bottle. But it tastes like a strong beer. It tastes like a wine. I think because of that sort of fruity twang it's got. God, no one will send me beers ever again. No, what this bloody idiot talking about. Picking up a bit of ginger, just a little bit. It's not overpowering, so I quite like it. The problem I've got with ginger beer is when it's sort of like, boom, I'm made of ginger and nothing else. But this is alright. So yeah, again, it's really refreshing. This is perfect really for a day like today. God, I've been sweating like a pig in the sun, and then to come back and have one of these nice and cold. And yeah, it's a shame that it's not carbonated. So there's no sort of head, there's no lace in it. It's sort of very sort of thin on the body. It's almost got a wine mouthfeel to it, and tastes very much like a wine. That sort of like acidic sort of sharpness that you get in a wine, like a white wine. Tastes like that with a hint of ginger. I don't know what went into it. I don't know what style it's meant to be, and obviously because it's not carbonated, it's difficult to tell. Well, for me anyway. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it because it's really refreshing. It really is. Well, that's not a complete disaster in my book. You know, fair enough, like I've already said. It hadn't carbonated. But, I don't know. If someone said that was a ginger wine, I know that's not what you were going for, probably. And I tried some, yeah, I'd drink that quite happily. On a summer's day, it's really refreshing. Really refreshing. Just check that out. Check the colour out. It's like a blood orangey sort of colour. It's sort of got the same sort of acidic sort of flavour that the strawberry cider that I made had. But with then a hint of like ginger. So yeah, Dave, don't be completely disheartened by the fact that it's not been carbonated, because I think you found something else out of the disaster in the sort of ashes of the fire that's been a phoenix has rose. That's alright, that's nice. Anyway, I'm going to sit back in the garden now because it's warm in the shed. So warm that the panels dropped off of there. It's 24 degrees in here, so I'm going to go out where there's a bit of shade, a bit of breeze, and enjoy this. Dave, thanks ever so much. Go and check his channel out, The Welsh Brewer, and also from yesterday, go and check Brewmaster Ben's channel out. Fantastic. Right, that's it. I'm out. See you later. Keep on brewing. Pinky out. And again, thank you so much for sending me these and letting me be involved with it. See you later, guys. Cheers.